Eh, asidi akoigi jingi tauduni ne. Khangning asidi English lon thanagi. Oi, Itao Alex.
Eh, tao malem ni ne. Au itao, sida lao.
I like it. Hello, nice to meet brother.
Nice to meet.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I am quite good friend. How about you?
So do I. Where you move in right now?
I am goodest condition just now. I am now rounding to my grandma's building.
Okay, friend. Wait a minute. Cause I wanna talk with you. Cause I wanting something. You know.
Nah, I am not green now. I am very quicker now.
Just a minute, please. Just a minute. I am an emergency talking with you.
Accuse me friend. My grandma wanted me just now.
As what man? What kind of you are?
I just told you, I'm not green.
Okay.
My grandma is very serious. She is very troublesome woman. She just told me not to round and around with it.
Nah. Oh my God. It's a confusion. Please. It's my humble request. I wanna.
Nah. I just told you, I'm not green. My grandma will let me. I don't take your bamboo. I just move.
How the hell he is?
What's up guys? Ngasigi story asi kaman taw email na comment section da soina haibiramo aduga ngasigi story asibu ibirakpa akoigi oza thoyangba aduga akoina leijariba view je mayam da kitang utcharakke mayam yengbiyu
Mayam kamai tawi ye phajaro.
mayam guys view kamai tawi asida akoigi friend amasu lei maningda sajik chari asigidamagta khalaga channel sibu subscribe tawbiramu ado mai khandramaksu subscribe ti soidana tawbiramu
Tausenbiramo.
tawdaba yade
Yade.
share tawbiyo
Share so.
thank you guys
Thank you guys. Bye.